just do one step at a time, and we're just, unraveling eons of conditioning, both our own personal conditioning and our family's generational conditioning and societal conditioning that we are, this, and I think in this country in my opinion, over the last, 50 years, the conditioning for fear, we've been conditioned and conditioned and conditioned, and we are awash in fear at all times. And so we've had to up our game in order to not just be living in a state of terror at all times. And so that's on us to practice. I mean, we have some control over our environment, but not full control by any means. So what can we do is we can, practice non-fear and learn how to take care of our own fear so that we can not be passing it on to other people and not be living in fear at all times. I think the Buddha said, maybe the best gift you can give someone is the gift of non-fear, because living in fear is a nightmare, to live in fear at all times.